Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to pick up dog poop. The methods and techniques and tips and tricks and pointers and secrets we'll be revealing to you in this short video are not just for dog owners. Anybody can pick up the turds that have fallen from a hound's behind. You don't need to own the dog to reach down and pick up its steaming excrement. Nobody can own a dog's waste other than a dog, and legally a dog can't own any sort of property or goods under United States law. So as soon as those wet brown orbs hit the grass, pavement, or carpet, they're up for grabs. And you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm, and to the victor go the spoils. And spoils these greasy lumps of rotten dog food truly are. Feel the weight in your hands. Feel the heft. What has this dog been eating? Rocks? Fishing weights? Silver dollars? Whatever it is, these bad boys are heavy. Truly shocking in their density and mass. Something worthy of great respect. After you've collected your bag full of plunder, take it to the nearest depositing center and drop it on in. Obviously, this is what's happening inside.